boys and girls, and welcome to Toys on the Go. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. And subscribe to the channel to see new videos every day.
Hi boys and girls, and welcome to Toys on the Go. Today we're going to open the Minion Surprise Eggs. Do you want to see what fun surprises we've won? Let's start. Oh, what on earth is this yellow thing with a bone on its head?
Hubba hubba, my cave dwelling, hubba. You want to open eggs with Minion? You want? Hubba! Me open! Me open!
Okay, if you're going to get like that. Let's start with this one. Look, Bob's funny face. I'll open it and see what we've won. It's a transfer. Let's take off the paper so we can see it more clearly. Bob's face is really fun. Don't shoot me, Kevin. Let's take a look at the next one. Kevin's deep in thought. I'm going to open it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Subscribe to the channel to see new videos every week. It's free. Here we've got the flyer with the surprises that could come out. And we've won Jurassic Stuart. Look, he comes with a suction pad so you can stick him wherever you like. He's really funny. Let's take a look at the next one. Let's see what comes out. Look, it's Tom dressed as an Egyptian. I love it. I'll put him here. Now there are only two left. I break the chocolate. Look, it's Stuart dressed as a caveman.
Stuart, caveman? Yeah! Mini Stuart, caveman. Hubba 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 hubba. Hubba 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 hubba. Two the same. Yeah!
Let's take a look at the last surprise egg. We've won another Caveman Stuart.
Hubba 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 hubba. Hubba 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 hubba. To be two hubba hubba. No. To be three hubba hubbas. Hubba 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 hubba. Hubba 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 hubba. Tickles. Mini Stuart makes tickles. Hee. Minion big. I explore. Me too. Food. Search. Look for food. Look a lot. Hubba 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 hubba.
That's all, boys and girls. I hope you found it as fun as I did. Don't wait any longer and subscribe to the channel to see more videos from Toys on the Go every week.
Hee. Bye bye. Me wait you. Wait for do a lot. Hubba hubba. Me see you in next video.